Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will see one trading setup that is based on RSI, ADX, Super Trend and ATR trading stop loss. So let's get started. So just I have given name that is ATR Super Trend, ADX, RSI. I am going to use 4 indicator ATR, Super Trend for direction, ADX for moment, ADX for trend strength, RSI for momentum. Chart type candlestick, time frame 5 minutes, and it is a buy strategy. So when to buy? So the main trailing or the entry point is when 14 RSI crosses above the 50. That is your entry point or the trigger point, we can say. If one this happen, okay, we are going to look for three more condition. One is ATR trailing stop loss, means closes higher than ATR trailing stop loss, closes higher than super trend 10-2, and ATX is higher than 25. So all supporting three condition true, then it is going to buy. But the main trigger point is that is 14 RSI crosses above 50. When to sell? Okay, so when the close is lower than your super trend or super trend is crosses above your close, the stop loss 0.5 and target is 1%. So whichever earlier out of these three happen, okay, that is our exit point. Whether 0.5 stop loss, whether close is below super trend or 1%, that is our target. You can follow us on a Twitter, that is @charttraders. Okay, our email ID that is chart.traders80@gmail.com. If you have any setup and you want to perform backtest, you can send us. We will perform backtest and we will send you the result. Normally the response time is within a 1 week. Okay, so in chart, if you want to buy, see the buy condition. Okay, so here see the price is above the ATR trailing stop loss and super trend. Okay, now in this candle, okay, RSI crosses 50, yes or no, and ADX is higher than 25. So here we are going to buy within this area, and then we have a strong rally. Okay, so this is our main entry point. When this crossover happen, we are going to buy. At the same time, ADX is higher than 25 and closes above your ATR and super trend. So that is your main entry point. Now in order to see the performance or the accuracy of the trading system, I am going to use streak. If you don't know what is streak, just watch out my video introduction to streak and second video, that is streak parameter, so you will know what is streak. So I am going to apply on Nifty future 5-minute chart. I want to buy one lot. So what is our entry point? Main is when RSI 14 crosses above 50, that is your trigger point. Whenever this happen, it is going to check for these three conditions, because I am using crosses above. If you are going to use higher than, then all are, when all conditions are satisfied, then trigger happen. But in this case I am using crosses above, so whenever this is crosses 50, other three conditions check and all are supported, then it is going to buy. So what is condition? Closes higher than ATR trailing stop loss 320, then super trend I am using 10-2, lower than means closes higher than your super trend, 14 RSI crosses above the 50, and ADX is higher than 25. Okay, so what is super trend exit condition? Super trend crosses above close, means close below your super trend. Stop loss 0.5, target 1. Even you can see in advance start time and stop time. I am going to apply on candlestick chart and MIS order. Just give the name of the strategy, save and backtest. So we can see here 27 signals are generated. Out of 27, 17 wins, 10 loss. So accuracy is around 65 or 60, and it duration is from 25th to 24th May, so around 3 months. We can see once in a while our account contain minus 1000 rupees. If you remove the brokerage, the profit is around 50,000. Okay, continuous winning streak is 4, so after 4 winning, 5th is losing, and losing streak is 2, means after 2 lose, 3rd is winning. So maximum gain around 7800, maximum loss is around minus 4200. You can remodify exit conditions if you want according to your risk management. Even you can see transaction details here. Okay, so EN means entry point, EX means exit point, SL means stop loss, SO means exit point at around 315, that is the MIS due to MIS order. Okay, even it says time to entry 1250 and price and exit price. So you can see transaction details. Okay, so we are going to see one. Okay, on a 6 May 9:55 entry point is around 9233, so 9:55. So on a 6 May 9:55, okay, so close is above. This is green is super trend, okay, 10-2, and yellow and blue is your trailing stop loss. So close is above this super trend and closes above this ATR. At the same time RSI crosses 50. This is the entry point. When RSI crosses 50, closes above this 2 point, and ADX black, that is the ADX line, is higher than 25, then I am going to enter. So 923 around 3633 is a entry point. Okay, so we can see here also 9233 is our entry point. Exit point is 9325, that is the target. Even we can see a stop loss on a 11 May 9:55, that is the entry point, or 20 week anything 11 May. Okay, 11 May here, that is your entry point. Yes or no? Closes above super trend and ATR. RSI also crosses 50. In last candle RSI below 50, in current candle RSI above the 50, so crossover happen. Even the black line is above 25. Okay, so entry point is 9373, and we can see a really up to this point 9442, but it is not one percentile. After that it came down and stop loss trigger. Okay, so according to your risk management you can exit here also, but our strict condition, it is algo, so strict condition I have given, you can modify it. Now if you want to make live, if once your algorithm giving good performance, you can make live. So in order to make live, just click on deploy here. So it is going to ask number of quantity you want to trade, strategy live for 1 week, 3 days, or one day. I'm going to click on 1 week. Strategy cycle 1 5 up to 5 means maximum 5 trade per day. Okay, I'm going to pick 5, and order type MIS and regular. Here also bracket order supported. Here MIS and CNC. Now when you're going to apply, click on paper trade. Your algorithm is in a virtual trading, means no buy and sell happen to your trading account. Only log will maintain in a strict account, and you can see buy price at what time, sell price, sell at what time. Okay, so it's just a virtual trading. But when you're going to click on take live, okay, so it is going to apply in a live market. When your algorithm satisfied your condition, okay, it is going to generate a signal. So you can see his signal here at this point, live trading. Okay, notification will be given, and you have to click buy or sell. Okay, because strict generate a signals only, it is not going to click on a buy or sell. So whenever you are going to click on buy, it will put an order in your Zerodha account or any supported brokerage through which you have opened account in Streak. Okay, I don't know which type of broker supported. I am using only Zerodha, so Zerodha supported. So whenever I am going to click here buy, order will be sent to my Zerodha account. Same way when I am going to click on sell, order will be sent to my account. So you have to manually click on buy and sell. That is a mechanical point in algo trading only. Okay, because retailer people due to risk management not allowed for algo trading, but you can make algo. Okay, when you are going to apply paper trading, you can see here list of algorithm. Okay, enter, exit, and its price also, profit and loss also. Okay, so by exploring your Streak account, Streak strategy, you can make algo trading. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.